Alright, this is a quick video with a little bit of instructions. You need your channel locks, smaller screwdriver, ignition switch. This pops right off with this. Pry it, pops off a light. You remove your bottom dash. You need to disconnect your negative cable because we're working really close to the airbag. And after you do that, you put your ignition on accessory. It's ACC for those that don't know what accessory stands for. Okay, I sprayed some WD-40 and it came out from this hole, and that hole is where you need to push, shove your little screwdriver in there. What that is that when you put your key on accessory, focus, that this little nipple pushes down and you can just slide it out. Sorry, that's it. I'm nervous because I'm never done a video. So you push it here, and I'm going to put the phone down so I can use my channel locks and pull it out. Horrible video, sorry. So that's what it looks like inside. And you're done. And you just put the new one on there, or like me, I'll be taking these two to a locksmith so I can have him make this new one work with this key. So I don't want to carry this key and this key, so I want this new one with this key. Alright, well, good luck.